Because everything in my garden was negative. Every single word, every single thought was negative, because that's what I allowed to be planted inside of me. And so she said, how about this? I am going to teach you how to uproot those negative thoughts, those negative words, those negative seeds, and we are going to plant positive seeds that give life and nutrients so that you can have the beautiful flower that every single individual deserves. I said, okay. And I am going to share that with his revive. And we are to act just as the sun. We are to get up in the morning and revive the garden within. How do we do that? You are really smart. Anything that comes at you today, you will handle. Not only will you handle it, you will conquer it. Why? Because you're more than a conqueror. Easily. That is how you start to revive yourself in the morning. The next R she gave was the word reject. You are to reject any and everything that is not positive into your garden. So, for instance, if someone says a word that does not agree with positivity that might land into your garden, you are going to put up a shield. I like that better. You're going to put up an X. That does not belong in my garden. That goes for thoughts. That goes for words. That goes for other people's words. You have the power to say no. You've got to do something else once you reject it. You've got to replace. You must replace whatever negative seed that tried to crawl into your garden with something else. Why? Because sometimes seeds end up filtering into the garden anyway. We are going to replace it with something positive. Every time a farmer goes out and he sows his seeds into his field, he puts up a scarecrow. And that scarecrow is there to make sure that the birds and the crows don't come and eat the fruit and eat the flowers and tear up what he worked so hard to put up. That is literally what we're doing every single day. When we revive, we reject, and we replace. Replenish. Say replenish. You want to make sure that you replenish not only yourself, but those around you. See that my friend is feeling down today? I'm going to go give a word of encouragement. I love your hair. I think you're really smart. I love your headband. It's looking real good. I love your braids. I need to redo mine. I want mine just like that. This is how you pour into one another. It takes nothing to replenish the garden within. And just because I love bonuses, I'm going to give you a bonus. This is the one that I added myself. It is repeat. It's part of the subconscious mind. You already know what to do. When you get up to brush your teeth, do you say to yourself, okay, grab the toothbrush, put the toothpaste on, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2. No. Why? Because it's a part of your subconscious mind. We want to have the 4 R's be a part of our subconscious mind. How do you do that? Repetition. You do it every single day. Your gifts and talents will make room for you. Everywhere you step will prosper. I started to do it early because I understood how impactful it was to begin to sow these positive seeds early. And so check this. We did it over and over. And this is how it started. I am strong. I am courageous.
Say, I am courageous. Say, I am not afraid. Say, I can do anything. Good job. Yay.
He's 4 years old. He can't read. He's got the card, but y'all, he cannot read. He has already memorized that he is strong, that he is courageous, that he is not afraid, but he can in fact do anything. And check this. Just last week, I was downstairs, I look over, and Ellis is trying to grab these weights. And I go over to him and I say, hey, do not pick up those weights. They are way too heavy for you. And guess what he told me? I am strong. I am courageous. I'm not afraid. I can do anything. And though he should not pick up those weights, it told me that the seeds that we were planting and that he was planting was beginning to flourish into beautiful flowers.